Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook event cover on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboards option and click to the Facebook section. Here you can find the Facebook event cover option and just tap on it. You have more options. You can upload pictures or select your gallery from your device, for example, images and videos. And in the element section, you can add to your Facebook event cover graphics elements, stickers, photos, videos, audio, and more. In the design section, you can find different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. You can edit the style of the template, and you can edit the color if you tap to the square icon next to the design section. You can find more colors and just select one and step on it. You can change the picture. If you go to the uploads button, just pull a picture and done. If you want to change the text, just tap on it and write your text. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.